I'm back with another video.
Back in the sight for sore eyes. I just need wood like Fortnite. This happy, this off white. Talk money, then we'll talk nice. This my team, where's your guys? City's all out, where's your eyes? That bitch better than a work coin.
Ouch. The seatbelt burnt me. So today is May the 18th and it's 11:54. I'm not really dressed up much. I got on these shorts. Well, I look cute today. But anyways, I'm finna go pay this water bill. That's gonna be like a vlog. I got so many jackets in the car and I gotta fix that because Meatball keep playing with that. But I'm gonna go pay this water bill and then I'm taking Creed to the park later. And of course I'm picking up my sisters and brothers and then I'm gonna take some pictures. I should have got them body pins so I could have pinned my hair back up. But it'll be fine. I can still draw like this, you know. But yeah. I got a jacket in case I get cold, which I might put my jacket back on. And I know I got an interview, like I had to go to my interview like 2 something, so I might end up picking Creed up early a little bit, you know, and I left my Apple Watch in there. I don't feel like going there to get it. I'll just go ahead and go pay this water bill because for a line get down there, and yeah. So we got that taken care of. I think now I'm finna go. It's like 12:01. I'm finna go clean my car out. I might go ahead and pick up Creed a little early, but I don't know if he's dressed yet or not. But yeah, I look buff, really buff. It's because I've lost weight, but it's okay because we picking it right back up. My picture's gonna be so cute, y'all. Hot girl summer without the activity, you know, good. I thought I would have been straight on. Let's go this way. I forgot my little tripod thing. I might probably go back to the house because I'm gonna want my watch, of course. But yeah, it's like 12:01. So I'll see y'all at the car wash. Ignore that stuff, that's deodorant. But, and my gas light off. I gotta go put my gas. I'm gonna try to set y'all up here. I forgot that tripod. I'm gonna just sit y'all on top of this door right here. Hopefully, y'all won't fall. I'm gonna keep my air on. I lifted my trunk. Come put these shoes. I always keep an extra pair of sandals. And I put the jackets in there too. So. Pretty much as clean as it got. Now these vacuum cleaners are kind of good, bro. It got hot real fast. So now I'm finna, what time is it right quick? 12:23. I'm finna go ahead and pick Creed up and I'll get some gas. Well, I'll get some gas and I'm finna pick Creed up. Cause I don't leave my brother in the car by himself. But yeah. Yo, he's so not good. He's snoring. And change his diaper. Okay, y'all, we got Creed in the back. He's sleeping still. Look at handsome man. He's a handsome man. Yeah, he is. I'm gonna go. Hopefully, Meatball's up now because I want to go to the park. I'll see y'all when we get further on the road. Creed up now. Creed. Hey, fat man. Hey, fat man. Yeah, basically what I did, when I got the gas, I took him out the car seat and I basically went in the store with him. And then I ended up, what did I do? Yeah, we paid for it and then I started pumping it while, I had it going while I was putting it back in the car, so that 20 filled up quickly. We finna go see Meatball. We finna go see Meatball, not Seaball. But yeah. I wonder what time the twins get out, because they might want to go to the park with us too. That way Creed can get used to them, because he's around me more than he is around them. But yeah, let me get off this phone.
The car?
She meant out of the fight.
No, they was about to fight.
We picked up the twins. It's now. Y'all upsetting him. It's 2:05. Y'all talking too loud.
It's on YouTube. Alright.
They don't want to look at you.
You look good.
Y'all are so. Bro, Skylar, you hold the camera while I get back to the house. Yeah. Like it's gonna rain. I hope Leah got me dress. Not on you, on everybody. I had to go back and get that tripod. You gotta go all in my face. Hold it.
You must be holding for the cameraman.
Exactly. Supposed to be getting all the angles. Since you good and get angles, you say.
Hold the camera down.
I look so short in my car. You can't even see Creed.
Your big nose self in the camera.
This camera got all my hair particles on my face.
Can you turn it so you can put Creed in some? No. Turn it, the camera this way.
Oh, okay.
Oh, look at the little dog. Oh no, please don't hit her doggy. Oh my gosh. Maybe I can't see what's behind me. Oh my god.
What she mean say?
Exactly. But not in a mean way though, but
It's trash
I freaking my tag, y'all, and get me another tattoo. I'm getting it behind my ear. Get some butterflies. Yeah. Who is this boy?
No, that way.
So now we're finna head to the park. Are you gonna vlog the way there?
What?
Because Leah, don't hold it like that. You gotta hold it up so they can see Creed and stuff.
Well, they can see.
Oh my god. Ariel is gonna vlog for y'all. Ariel.
Hi, guys. Oh my gosh, you're showing my pimple. Well, there's the boys.
Don't call the boys. He's laughing.
Bless you. Look at him, he's doing it. You see them kids? You see them kids, man? You wanna go back on? Yeah, I'm finna take him back to the swing over there. Cree, you wanna go back to the swings over there? You go back to the swing?
Later.
Yeah, it's about 4:49. I came to Slim's to do a second interview that I was supposed to do. Talked to Cody, but they said Cody weren't there, and I talked to this lady named Shauna. I'm gonna say her name because this is just, I feel like this is wrong. But anyway, so I got interviewed last week, and I got interviewed by Andrew last week, and he said I got the job. He said I'm gonna go ahead and give you the job back, and I was supposed to start this week, right? So I've been getting the runaround. Said, oh, come, you know, I was supposed to. He told me to come Sunday for the posted schedule. So I come Sunday morning, scheduled and posted. So I come before I had to go to work, day before yesterday. And he told me, oh, well, you know, they're gonna call, you know, we'll write down your phone number, give you a call. Da da da. So then, yesterday I come during my lunch break, and the kitchen catches on fire. So he told me, you know, come back tomorrow, you know, around 2 to 4, you know, mind you, it's like 4:40 here, you know. And they said, oh, he's not here. So I feel like this is so disrespectful. Like, y'all keep giving me the runaround. I'm actually trying to come work for y'all and make some money for y'all part-time, you know. I'm actually trying to help my, you know, and y'all see I'm trying to get the, you know, job, you know. So don't tell me I'm hired and I'm not, if I'm not really hired. Because she was like, well, last time we talked, you know, we said we weren't going forward with any rehires or we were yours. And I was like, well, I talked to him yesterday, and she's like, oh, that's strange, you know, because, yeah. So either you got something against me or something. But I don't have to come back and work for y'all. But it's just the fact, like, don't tell me I'm hired and don't keep giving me the runaround, because that's like, you don't do it to people. That's probably partially one of the reasons why. But I'm trying to come back and be nice because they need people, but no. Like, y'all are literally wasting my time. Like, I can go somewhere else and work.
Little boost to the surface later.
Okay, y'all, so it's like 5:14. I was gonna talk to people in Chipotle, but I decided to do it on my phone application. I used to work there when Loop was locked up. I don't know if y'all remember or not. Y'all may or may not remember. But my anxiety was extremely bad, and, you know, I ended up, like, you know, telling them I couldn't do it no more, but they were already gonna fire me. But I think after you call in 3 times, you know, do not enter. I don't know if you can go this way or not. But yeah, y'all. Hopefully they do review, and I'm gonna apply some other places. Cause I do want to get a, you know, I'm just trying to get caught up on stuff. But yeah, let me get out this busy road, and I will see y'all when I'm back at home. Okay, y'all. So this is the end of the video. I took the home and showed that because I was tired, and now I'm laying down. It's like 8 something. I'm already working on the video. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and bell if you're notified when I post.